Oh, brother. What is my video going to be about today? I got some light fixtures here. Am I going to be installing these light fixtures today? I might, but that's not going to be included on this particular video series. I am going to install this ceiling fan. And this ceiling fan is going to be installed in this bedroom here. We call this the guest bedroom. And there used to be a light fixture here before, and it had an existing light switch location over here, and so we've got to talk about that because there's certain things I'm going to have to do over there too. Well, if you want to watch that, stick around. Now the first thing, you see where that ceiling fan location is above the bed. And see, if you're going to install a new ceiling fan, and if you haven't moved in your place yet and stuff before your furniture comes in, it's a good idea to maybe decide, hey, are you going to replace the ceiling fan after you paint? Or in this case, there used to be an existing light fixture there. I was thinking all along, I'm taking the light fixture down and I'm going to be reinstalling the light fixture. I never thought that after I got done painting and after the furniture got in, that Mommy wanted a ceiling fan in here. But it kind of makes sense, because then during the summer, if she wants, and if this room is just a hair too hot, instead of turning the air conditioner up higher, we turn the ceiling fan on. And it's going to have a light connected to it, and it's going to be handheld remote control. And in the winter, even in the winter, this ceiling fan is going to work in this room. This room has a heating register. It happens to be on the floor down over here. See it? There it is.